Hello, kids! In today's video, we are going to draw a poppet penguin. I'll start by drawing its eyes. Now I'm going to draw its cheeks and its beak. Let's make the shape of its round head. I'll draw its body with straight lines. Let's draw its wings. Now I'm going to draw its feet. And to make it a poppet, I'm going to draw circles all over our drawing. Let's color our drawing with the coolest colors. I love using all the colors and making the drawing very colorful. Our drawing is looking beautiful. How many colors? Wow! Good job! Click like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!